Hello, YouTube blooms and everybody on the internet. I know it's been so long since I've reacted to the Binny podcast. I am so sorry for only getting back to it now. My life has been insanely busy from new job to moving house. Like, there's just been so much going on. But I'm trying to get my upload schedule back to what it used to be. I will try and I'll work very hard to upload as much as I can. Shout out to Benny Subs, by the way, for doing the translations. We are 10 episodes in. This is episode 11, by the way, titled What is Acceptable Age Gap? Okay, I've loved all the topics so far on the Benny podcast so far because the girls tackle topics that are really interesting and like really interesting topics. Like most podcasts that like, let's say groups or pop stars will do, it's quite generic, quite basic. But they tackle questions you wouldn't expect like a pop group to tackle, like especially a girl group. I love it.
Mabuhay! Hi, Vinny
We got Mika
Hi, I'm
and
Beanie
Gwen.
Gwen.
And we are Mick Gwen!
Mick Gwen.
Ayun, so what is our topic for today?
Gwenika.
Our
Mick
topic
Gwen.
for today is
age
gap.
gap.
This is a show
you would
people don't
wanna,
really talk about.
elaborate pa sa mga
Mick Gwen.
disadvantages and advantages, pros, cons, yung ganon, situations.
Yeah.
Yeah, so my question to you, Gwenny.
Wait lang. Hindi ka ready? Bakit ganon? Hindi kasi, di ba, hindi pa naman talaga tayo yung... ikaw ba? Naka-experience ka ba ng ganong situation?
Hindi
Kasi
naman.
hindi
Like,
pa eh. Yan, kaya may ano kami.
oo.
We prepared our
Yeah.
notes for today, guys.
The
And
notes.
also, like,
Take out the
we want to be
notes.
careful with what we say. Syempre,
Yeah.
it's like based on people we know lang rin, tsaka yung mga
Manaririnig din
experiences
namin.
nila. Oo.
Di ba?
So, ready ka na sa question ko.
Ako dapat na lang magtanong eh.
Yeah, sige, ikaw muna magtanong.
Sige. Okay, Mika. What age gap is acceptable for you?
Before the girls answer, put in the comment section down below what is the acceptable age gap you guys think. I think it's a very hard question. I think if you guys are both of age, I think over 10 years is it's a bit much. But I mean, yeah, I think 10 for me 10 years. For me 10 years, but if you guys are both of age, you guys can do whatever you want. Who am I to say no? But for me 10 years. I'll call it at 10 years.
Well, I think for me that age gaps matter for me kasi syempre when you're starting life pa lang, siguro 20s mo, early 20s, and then you like someone na 30s na, that's when they already want to settle down. For me, like yung mga nakakilala ko. So parang hindi kayo nagtutugma with...
I think that happened with Aya. Aya is my bias, so I do pay it like a lot of attention, but she said this on the podcast, I'm pretty sure. That was one of the issues why her and a previous relationship didn't work out well, because there was a bit of an age gap and they wanted like different things basically. So that was one of the factors as to why Aya's previous relationship didn't work out.
like you guys are not on the same page since sila gusto na nila mag-settle down and you still want to start traveling, you don't want to stay in one place, you still have your career, you're just about to start yung ganon. So I think na siguro mga 5 years or 5 to 7, ganon. Acceptable pa yun yung mga ganon for me. Pag 10, medyo delikado na tayo.
For you, oo
Oo.
nga naman. Ako rin naman siguro. Ako naman, nung bata pa ako, as a bata, ayun, mas prefer ko, sabi ko noon na mas matanda sa akin yung guy, ganun. Tapos, ewan ko ba, may nakukwento rin kasi sa akin si mama na parang mas advance mag-mature yung girls
Yes.
kesa sa guy. So parang sabi ko, okay. So parang dapat, yun yung naano sa utak ko na mas matanda dapat yung guy, ganyan. Pero ngayong lumalaki naman ako, parang, hindi na ako mas more of, na ako eh. It's the energy gap.
Energy gap.
Yung kung
I haven't heard
magkabait
that
kayo,
before.
ganon.
Oo.
Yun,
Energy
yun.
gap.
Hindi ako
I like that.
Hindi na ako masyadong
So,
sa age.
So okay ka lang na you're gonna date someone younger than you, ganon.
Okay lang naman siguro. Yun nga. pag nakilala mo and magka-vibe naman kayo.
So, okay lang sa'yo kung
yan.
5 years younger?
Hay!
Hindi.
Siguro 5 years, parang hindi siguro naman ganon
gets.
level. Pero okay lang, like, 3 years, ganyan, 2 years
Three,
younger
2
than
years,
me.
ganon.
Let's see.
Ako let's say na,
But that is interesting what Gwen said there, like the first part, like about women maturing and aging faster than guys. I mean, I've heard that saying before. I don't know if it's true or not. If like women they mature faster, but it is very common for the woman to be younger than the man usually than the male in like most relationships. Like I'm sure even with like most people's parents, like their father's older than what their mother is, so it's quite common.
hindi na. Like,
Hindi na.
never ko na yun gagawin. Kasi like,
Ah.
feeling ko nga, dahil nga sa pagbilis ng maturity scale ng mga women, feeling ko nakaka-affect yun sa understanding with like, in the relationship. Kasi, alam mo yung, tinatry mong i-explain sa kanya, pero parang siya, it's like, Like, I can't understand what's going on.
So, ikaw naniniwala ka doon sa sinasabi nila na mas advanced daw talaga mag-mature yung girls kesa sa guys?
well, it's actually scientifically proven talaga. So,
Okay.
pero may situations naman na si girl, hindi talaga siya mature and, di mo talaga
Oo, may mga ganong rin
Oo.
naman. Kasi minsan if super, na rin naman yung guys sa experiences sa life, ganun, mas,
So, tanong ko
makakamit ka naman ng mas mature, ganun.
Oo. So, tanong ko sa inyo, na-experience nyo na ba to? And mag-ingat
Can you
kayo.
guys relate?
Kasi meron akong i-explain kay Gwenny kasi hindi niya daw alam yung
Oo,
term.
kanina ba? Ayaw niya sabihin sa akin. Sabi niya dito daw sa podcast. Sabi ko, para yung
Authentic reaction. Oo.
authentic.
So,
Okay,
I asked
go.
her, like, does she know the term grooming? Oh, do you know that?
Oo, pero
What do you know about it? Ganon.
sabihin mo na lang. Kasi,
Sige.
curious ako dun sa sinasabi mo.
Okay, so basically grooming, it's where you usually yung mga guys yung gumagawa na like older guys, and then they put in a lot of effort and like they have a relationship with someone much younger than them just for them to like manipulate and like parang they use all the love bombing, gaslighting and everything else para lang na. And they also like say na parang there are situations yung mga kakilala ko na they say, oh, you're so mature, like I hope all girls are like you. And for that, for the young girls or guys, they feel as if naman na, oh, like ganun, I finally like someone sees me na ganun. Tapos in the end parang pagpadulo na like ina-isolate ka na, they separate you from your personal life, na-affect na personal life mo, yung ganun.
Ayun, narinig ko na yan. Tsaka, aware din ako may ganyan. Di ko alam na yun pala yung term doon.
Alam mo na
Ayun,
ngayon.
okay. Thank you.
Mika did a great. Obviously, she has notes and like research, but she did a great like job at explaining what grooming meant. Like I didn't think about grooming like that, like in full, but she explained it really well.
So what do you think about that? Like, what would you like to say to those na parang unaware na nangyayari na pala yun sa
Hala,
kanila?
mahirap yun. Kasi pag namamanipulate ka na nga, nagagaslight ka na and all, lalo kung love mo yung tao, hindi ka na rin talaga magiging aware. Ikaw mismo sa sarili mo. Nakakatakot yun.
Oo, pero kaya connected to sa age gap kasi ang daming times na nangyayari to sa mga relationships na for example 10 to 15 years.
I think honestly, grooming might have even happened to me. I've been close with people who are like older than me, and maybe I didn't see it at the time, but I might have been groomed before.
Yung age gap. I'm not saying that it happens to all of the relationships, ha? Pero most likely, that's what's
And
going
may
to
chance siyang
happen.
mangyari nga talaga.
Oo, tapos alam mo yung nagtataka ka na lang na bakit kaya hindi yung mga ka-age niya yung gino-go for niya, hindi yung mga 10 years younger. Yun pala kasi siguro nga yung maturity and like girls his age or her age, doon nila na realize na parang kaya pala he's going for, he or she's going for younger. Kasi doon yung manipulate.
Manipulate. Oy, teka lang, may question ako sa'yo. If kunyari yung edad mo, kasi nandito naman na tayo sa topic na ganito eh. Kung kunyari yung edad mo, kasi, ay ano ka pala eh, sige na, 17, ganyan, ano ka pa. Papayag ka ba na kunyari may mag-entertain sa'yo na, or may lumapit sa'yo na mga 28, 25, ganyan. Ano mo, kakausapin mo ba ganyan?
Siyempre ako as a career girl, like, siguro hanggang usap lang ganon. Pero when it comes to serious talk na or the future,
paano kung ganon?
there's no assurance, syempre, or seriousness or something like that. Pero kung mabait naman talaga siya, siguro 25 acceptable pa yun eh. Pero pag 28 na, like, they're already about to settle in their lives. Diba? Settle down. And ikaw, 17 ka pa lang, tapos
ayun na nga.
Parang gusto na lang mag-live-in, yung mga ganun.
Ayun na nga. Pero teka lang, kasi di ba mahirap din yun, yung minor, tapos kunyari yung mga as in 39, ganun.
That's way too
Parang
old.
mahirap
Way
yun.
too old.
Hindi ata. Talaga. Yun talaga. Nung naman siya may 39, parang
For me,
Di ba,
that's
paisip
way
ako
too
na
old.
hindi naman
17,
I
39?
don't
No.
think it's,
No. That
acceptable.
can't
feeling
happen.
ko age gaps would work, like big age gaps would work more if it started at around 23.
Oo, mga ganun yun nga. Kasi mga minor.
Minor. No offense ha. Pag super young naman yung girl, wait
diba?
for her lang muna. Like, huwag niyo muna i-push through agad. Kasi she's still young and he or she is still young and let her...
But I think to add to that, don't be the older guy and just wait until she's of age. Like, just live your life normally. And if you guys meet up late in life, maybe, and you're like, oh my word, it's you. And you guys get along, then like, that's fine. But don't, like, let's say someone's 15 and you like 20 something and you want to wait until she's 18. Don't do that. I feel like that's a bit weird and unacceptable. Just live your life normally. Look for people who are of age, wherever they may be, non-minors, and just move on. Like, don't even think about waiting for someone to reach that age.
him, like, think about life and what they want to do first before naman pumasok kayo agad sa serious relationship. Kasi, syempre, sometimes, kasi pag you're young and like around 21 pa nga, you should, like, you're gonna eventually want to explore and date around. So, parang, before you guys get serious, diba, sobrang hirap naman na biglang out of nowhere, dun mo mas matitripan na mag-date around. Ayan. So, hotdog. Well, ano naman, yung pros and cons though.
Let me go back.
Well,
Hot
So-
dog.
hotdog.
Ha. Oh, it can be thrown around just to annoy the person you're talking to.
Well,
Interesting.
ano naman,
I'm learning.
yung pros and cons though of having an age gap na siguro 7 to 10 years or
7
more.
to 10 years.
What do you think are the pros and cons?
Yung siguro emotional intimacy. Yung parang yung magkaiba na yung level ng na-experience nila sa buhay.
yung-
Ang dami ng, etong kunyari, yung mas matanda, dami ng napagdaanan na struggles and all.
Tsaka
Yeah.
parang he or she is going to be able to like teach you
Oo.
and help you and make you understand like
Things.
about things. Like for example, sa investments, yung mga ganun. Kasi
Oo.
nag-work na sila.
Pero
And-
mahirap yon kasi 'di ba minsan din parang pag ganyan, mahirap minsan mag-meet.
Kasi, ba't mahirap? Ba't mahirap?
Mag-meet kasi yun nga, if yung kunyari yung younger, hindi pa naman kaya i-take yung mga ganong na mga bagay, masyado yung advance, 'di ba?
So parang hindi kayo common ground sa conversation.
Feeling ko yun yung struggle sa age gap din talaga. Emotional, intimacy.
Mm-mm. Oo naman, Gwen.
Diba? Oh my
yeah.
gosh!
Did you research this? Or,
Yes! Yun yung mga napapanood ko. Actually, even before naman, may mga papakinggan ako na about age gap, ganun.
Gets.
Curious din ako.
Pero kung paano kung ikaw yung older?
Ikaw yung older.
So, ano yung pros and cons kung ikaw yung older naman sa age gap?
Siguro, yung mga trip niya sa buhay. Hindi, di ba kasi usually, lalo na ngayon, di ba alam mo naman, Gen Z, di ba? Ang daming kung ano-ano. So, parang dapat marunong kang sumabay sa ganun if ever man na ikaw yung older. Diba?
Pero, what if like 30 years old ka na, tapos siya 23? Pero ko di naman akong gagawin yun, Gwen. Pero tinatanong lang kita. So anong gagawin mo?
Ayun, feeling ko lang talaga lagi. Parang maghanap lang kayo ng way para makahanap ng
time for each other, gano'n.
And yung yung sa kanya-kanyang trip nga.
Oo.
Kunyari, may gusto siyang gawin na ganito.
Mag-adjust siya dapat. Oo, pareho mag-adjust.
Alamin mo din, minsan, ganun. Para at least sasabayan mo siya.
Yeah. And kasi, you know what they say, it takes two to tango.
Two to tango.
So, dapat mag-effort parehas and mag-adjust because that's the only way that a relationship's going to work and last long-term.
Wow, Mika.
No.
Anyone in the comment section who can relate to what to what they're saying? Like, has anyone been in a relationship for like a very long time and can like agree that like, yeah, it does take two to tango and like you need to meet people on this level to like understand them if there is an age gap, or even if you are the same age. Like, is there anyone in the comment section who has been in a relationship for a long time?
Oh, thank you.
Pero ayun, baon mo dyan?
Because I haven't,
ito nga,
and I think none of the girls
I
have.
wanted to talk
Besides
about
Aya,
na parang,
really.
diba sa age gap,
But it wasn't even that long with
super tanda
Aya.
na ng girl or guy. And like, you get to learn a lot of things from them, and that's a pro for me. And what do you think is another con na parang, minsan nga nagkaka-misunderstandings. And feeling ko, dahil nga sobrang secured ka na, feeling ko secured na yun eh. If usually pag mas matanda ng mataas yung age gap. Oo. Kasi secured na siya. He's working, he has a house, or may apartment na siya, or ganun. Tapos, or mayaman, or something like that. Kasi usually those are the cases eh. Pag yung guy mas matanda and malayo
Tsaka
yung
pag
age
malayo
gap.
yung gap.
Tsaka, meron tong feeling eh, yung mga girls who want to be taken care of for guys na parang, like, inaalagaan niyo na ako, I'm secure, like, I feel so safe. Pero, mag-ingat kayo ha.
Oo.
Kasi, choose wisely, not in terms of who you date, but more of like, who and when you start dating seriously. Kasi you need to know to yourself na ready ka na mag-settle down and ready ka na rin to take things seriously and commit. Kasi committing is a different
level na.
Yeah, different level na talaga yun. Kasi hindi pwedeng committed ka, sasabihin mong committed ka, pero you're gonna makikipag-break ka every time mag-aaway kayo. Huy. Ikaw gagawin mo ba yan? Makikipag-break ka pag mag-aaway kayo?
Ay, parang di naman na ganong level. Parang, ewan ko, for me lang medyo childish na yung ganong thought na pag nag-aaway, hiwalay na agad.
Yeah.
Ganyan. Like, masyado ng yun. Sa
Oo. Tsaka, for me, space isn't always the answer, diba? Kasi kailangan yung pag-usapan.
Yeah, communicate talaga, lagi.
Communication
Parang
is key.
kaibigan. Compromise, ayan.
Compromising, I
Yeah.
suck at that. I'm the worst at compromising.
For you, what is considered an unhealthy age gap?
Unhealthy age gap. Yun nga, for me yung mga situation na super young pa,
Or give me a number.
number. Okay. 14 tapos 40.
Oo nga, ang OA naman na nun.
Sige,
Paano kung 14 and
labanan mo.
30?
Labanan mo.
Paano kung 14 and 30?
14 and 30, parang,
O, 16 years na yun.
Still.
Paano kung 14? Siyempre, feeling ko rin the starting age eh. So, ayun. And sa tingin mo, anong makakompromise like sa life mo if you were in that situation?
yung,
Everything, di ba?
oo, tsaka, unang pumasok sa isip ko, priorities siguro. Talaga. Kasi, bata pa eh. So, parang ang dami pang, studies.
Tsaka, alam mo, like, for example, feeling ko, like, if we were in a relationship, for example, tapos ako, 30 ako, and you're like 20.
Iniisip ko eh, para
Oo, so 20 ka,
30,
30 ako. Tapos, speaking of priorities, siguro, for me, yung priorities ko now that I'm 30 is for you and us to have a good family na, settled down. Those are my priorities. And siguro for me, so, first, number 1, it's you. Second, family natin. Third, yung bahay natin, career ko. Fourth is yung mga parents ko na, yung family, friends, ganun. So, ikaw
Well,
naman, you're at 20. What are your priorities?
Ako gusto ko pang mag-explore ng ibang work. O makapag-travel. I want to spend more time pa sa makabawi sa family. Ganyan. Or kaya, malay mo, gustuhin ko ulit mag-aral ng another diba?
Paano kung sinabi ko, you have to settle down with me na by 23? Kasi I'm gonna be 33 by then. Like, this can't last forever. Ang tagal-tagal ko nang nag-aantay.
Thinking about it again, 10 years might be too much. Because this example Mick is making, it's really true. Like, you want to do completely different things at those ages. So someone has to, in the end, like, give in and be like, okay, I will stop or I will do this.
Anong gagawin mo?
Hala, yun nga.
Ganun mo ba ako kamahal na hindi mo ako bibitawan, na i-affect mo buong buhay mo?
Diba?
Para lang sa akin? Gagawin mo yun?
Parang hindi ko, I can't. Ikaw
Kung ako,
sa'yo?
hindi ko na itutuloy kasi
yun nga
I know
eh.
what's best for me eh. Tsaka, I wouldn't, life is short, guys. Life is really short. Like, I'm gonna tell you that. So, I think you should do as much as possible for the things you want to do.
Yes.
But I'm not saying that you should mauna na agad and rush. Pinag-uusapan natin dito yung perspective.
Nawala. Yung compromise, yun nga.
May mga compromise.
Ano nga yun?
So, makikipag-break ka nga.
Hindi na yan yung kanina eh.
Hindi, makikipag-break ka nga. Diba?
Doon sa
Oo.
Yun nga, hindi ko na rin tutuloy yun.
Tama. Pero kasi, wait lang. Kasi naman, there are other people na they prioritize love. And all they want is just a perfect family. Minsan gusto lang nila maging house body lang, na parang they take care of the family, and that's okay. So this doesn't really apply to everyone what we said, you know. So
Parang yung iba kasi, okay, kung magkasundusin sila naman, okay lang naman.
Okay lang naman kasi
Go for it.
Kasi unlike us, na parang super career-driven kami.
Yes.
Like, super duper. Like, workaholics kami.
Workaholics
Tanggapin na natin lahat na workaholics ang Bini.
Tsaka, ewan na, sana observe ko lang ngayon sa generation natin. Parang, di ba usually yung mga nagpapakasal, mga umaabot na ng 30,
Yeah.
ganon, 35, parang, di ba nung mga times naman nung mga noon, parang mga 20 meron nang nagpapakasal.
Oo, 19
mga
pa nga lang, 18.
Oo, di ba? Pero sa atin ngayon, parang patandaan na talaga yung
Oo,
pagpapakasal.
kasi ang dami ngayon sa generation natin, or like, sa lahat ng mga tao ngayon, like, they just want to experience, they want to travel, they want to reach.
True.
Parang ang taas ng standard nila sa sarili nila hanggang hindi pa
I think it's great. I think it's better that way. Marriage should come in your 30s. Like, that's when you do want to like slow down, find someone, settle down, get married. But like your 20s, explore the world, travel, make friends, party, have fun, but make sure that you're setting up your life and your career as well. at the same time. You're not just having fun all the time. But like, that's what I agree with. Like, it's crazy because back in the day, it was like people, they just got out of school, they got married, and then like their whole life was just like you can't do much once you get married because you get married, you have kids, and then you got to look after your kids.
Sila
You can't do anything for
contented sa
yourself.
meron sila and sa ginagawa nila and sa na-achieve nila, hindi pa sila magsa-settle down. Ganun na yung mga tao ngayon. And it's nice to see rin na parang women are getting more career-driven right now. Kasi,
That's the word.
diba, like, they're not,
career-driven.
I'm not bashing on housewives. I think they are also like heroes to us. Like, lalo na yung like, my mom is a housewife also. And your mom, diba? So, I'm just proud na rin na parang it's getting very versatile, diba? Na parang it's not stereotypical na women are supposed to stay at home na. So,
Oo.
that's
Tsaka
nice.
less na yung mga comments na, hala, ilang taon.
And I think just to add to what Mika said, like, especially in my country, like with the economy, like as a woman, you kind of have to work because it's not like back in the day where you could survive on like the average, like one person's salary. Like in most households nowadays, I think internationally, like both the man and the woman, they have to work to provide for the family because life is so expensive.
Ka na, kailan ka ba di ba may mga
Oo.
ganyan noon? Ilang
So
taon ka na,
what?
kailan ka mag-aasawa? Wala ka pa ring,
Oo. Parang
diba?
ang typical age na
Pamilya.
dapat magpakasal is 23, no? Like parang
Before, talaga, mga 24,
25.
25. Ngayon,
Ayun.
parang imagine mo sarili mo ganong age na may pamilya ka na. Parang hindi ko pa right now, no? Parang hindi ko pa siya ma-imagine.
Sa tingin mo, ano yung age gap like dati? Ano yung usual age gap?
Age.
In the old
gap
days.
Noon, parang, ewan ko lang, hindi naman, siguro yung magkakalapit lang din yung, hindi ko alam.
Actually, hindi ko nga rin alam
Mas
yung
nagmamatter-
differences. Pero ang
I
feeling
think in the
ko,
old
feeling ko
days,
it was
anything
more on
could
closer
run.
age gap nung old
Oh, yun
old
nga,
days.
closer age gap.
Closer age gap.
Pero
siya.
ang pinagkaiba lang, masyado lang bata yung mga age nila talaga. Like yung kwento ng lolo't lola ko, parang naging as in mag-asawa na sila ng mga 16, 17, ganun.
That's
Tsaka may
young.
anak
That is
na,
young.
as in. So nagulat, shucks.
Ay, may tanong ako. Pero feeling mo ba, dahil nga ang aga nila magpakasal and they didn't like meet any other people. Kasi super strict eh. Like walang divorce nung time na yun, walang annulment. So you really have to stick to one partner. Dahil ba nagpakasal sila ng maaga, do you think marrying early was marrying early because of that, it made them stick to the marriage better and like make the marriage work more?
Depende pa rin eh.
Depende pa rin.
Oo, pero
Sa tingin mo, it's one of the factors though.
Pero ayun, sobrang nakaka-amaze pa rin yung mga ganong na bata pa tapos nag-last. Para lolo't lola ko talaga as in ayun,
Totoo.
sila talaga kahit na imaginein mo ilang taon 17. Oh my gosh, nag-ano
17
pa lang
ilang
ako
taon na
noon.
sila.
Ngayon, wala na yung lola ko. Pero si lolo ko mga 80 plus,
Wow.
70 plus, ganun.
Matagal talaga. Feeling ko talaga na parang may something na nakatulong sa pag-marry ng early kasi they weren't able to experience other people, meeting other people.
Pero, eto, sa observation ko lang din, compared sa panahon natin ngayon, parang mas marami yung issue ng paghihiwalay talaga. 'Di ba? Kasi tingnan mo noon naman, ang babata pa nila pero tingnan mo ang daming okay naman, nag-last naman sila, nag-work naman. Ngayon tuloy hiwalay dito, hiwalay doon, cheating dito, cheating doon. 'Di ba? Nakakaloka.
Feeling ko rin kasi dahil alam nilang may divorce, may annulment, parang madali na lang yun para sa kanila na hindi nila talaga pinipilit yung pag-fix na marriage. Pero although there are a lot of
Back in the day, was there really like no divorces? Or at least in the like Philippines, was like getting a divorce, maybe it wasn't that common, but it was a thing you could do. Because the way Mika's making it sound, it was like grandparents, so like maybe 50 years ago, you couldn't get divorced. Like it wasn't a thing.
Cases na meron talagang hindi talaga maayos dahil nga nag-cheat or anything or something like that. Sa tingin mo dahil sa age gap, kaya naghihiwalay yung mga marriages ngayon? Like,
Ngayon?
yung mga big age gaps. Ano?
Yung siguro may mga circumstances yung mga ganun, pero depende pa rin sa sa tao kung they'll make it work or kung magkasundo sila sa
Ako feeling ko nga pag malaki yung age gap nyo sa marriage nyo, dapat in the first place, dapat hindi kayo nagpakasal agad. Kung gano'n.
ayun lang, oo.
Kasi, alam mo yun, dapat pinag-isipan mo to bago ka nagpakasal.
Kikilalanin mo
oo.
talaga yung tao.
Tsaka, ayun nga, speaking of marriages, there are also fixed marriages, diba?
Ay, oo.
Feeling ko yun yung mga malalaki yung age gap. Ay, hindi. Or both.
Napagkasunduan lang ng mga
Oo, parang fixed marriages are for the benefit of the families.
Oo.
Yun yung alam ko eh. Kasi minsan, for example, ako, mayaman ako. Mayaman ako na anak ng CEO. 6 years old pa lang ako. And ikaw, let's say, 4 years old ka pa lang or something like that. By that time, they already started raising you to become a perfect wife for me.
Yeah.
Ganon. May mga
Parang
ganong
kinokontrata
cases
na yung magulang.
Oo, as in, feeling ko contracted na siya eh. Kasi ang
Oo,
marriage is a
totoo.
contract.
Totoo.
It's a contract eh. So kaya, parang...
Ikaw ba mapayag ka pag ganun?
Hindi. Pero kung gwapo, eh. Joke lang. Feeling ko kasi walang choice. May mga tao talaga na walang choice. Feeling ko kung matanda siya na 10 years older than me, tapos alam mo may cases na ina-abuse pa yung girl or yung yung kasintahan niya. Grabe talaga. Like, lalayas talaga ako. Hindi yun pwede sa akin. I will not put up with that.
Yeah.
Nakakaawa yung mga
Naaabuso.
naaabuso lalo. And feeling ko kung ano nga gagawin mo yung pag nasa fixated marriage ka. Wala kang choice. Hindi ka
Hindi ako papayag, be.
kahit gwapo. Kahit
Gwapo.
6
Gwapo nga, hindi ko naman.
Kahit 6 foot. 6'2".
If
6'3".
hindi ko naman makakasundo, hindi ako mag-go doon.
Paano kung magkasundo kayo pero mga 35 na siya?
Ilang taon ako?
20. Ay, 20.
Kung magkasundo naman kami, basically, kung magkasundo kami, edi
go.
Kung nandun
Why
sa situation, okay, go.
So, ganun pala yun.
Mapag-uusapan na lang yan. Ay, wait lang. May mga napanood ka na ba sa kahit random videos anywhere na parang mga survey ng mga ganun nga, age gap, ganyan.
Ano napanood?
Yung mga survey na mas prefer mo ba yung mas matanda or mas bata sa'yo?
Okay,
Ganyan.
gets. Ikaw, mas prefer mo ba yung matanda?
Mas prefer ko yung mas
Ako
matanda
din.
sa akin.
Feeling ko like, depende talaga yun sa mga tao. Kasi may mga guys naman na super duper mature for their age. Pero may mga guys na 30 plus and hindi pa rin nakakaintindi ng emotions ng mga babae. Alam mo yun?
Mag-survey tayo sa kanila. Guys, ano prefer nyo? Yung mas bata sa inyo?
I prefer someone. I actually don't know what I prefer anymore. I don't know. Quinn, I don't know what the answer is. Let me know in the comments what you guys think, but I don't know.
Or mas matanda
I'm so
sa inyo?
confused now. I feel like I'm more confused now
Tweet kayo, tapos
Yeah.
i-mention nyo kami.
Oo, para may
With
idea
than what I was
kami.
before the podcast.
Kung ano
I
na
don't
ba
know.
sa generation natin ngayon, ano yung mas
Oo. Ayun, tapos and also I would also like to add that
sige, ano mo na yan.
okay,
Ilabas
kasi
mo na yan.
ganito yun. Kasi ganito yun. Nahihiya kasi ako sabihin.
Ano?
Hindi, kasi parang, let's just say na parang, there was a situation before pa na I almost got myself into like dating someone na 10 years younger. Like before pa to
Younger.
na. Oh, 10 years
What? Mika Lim. 10 years. What?
Anong younger?
Ay, sabi mo
Ade,
younger.
older.
Older.
Kasi kung younger
Okay,
naman, 7
okay,
years old na
older.
lang siya, gano'n. Pero ayun, older nga. And like, pinag-isipan ko talaga kasi hindi naman nga talaga pwede na magsa-start ka pa lang ng career mo, tapos siya, pa-settle down na. Hindi talaga yun mag-work for me. Kasi someone that age can't wait that long. Kasi syempre someone that age, they would want to have kids by in 5 years. And in 5 years, siguro magta-25 ka pa lang or magta-23. And like, hello, 23
Nasa
pa lang
ganung
ako.
level na talaga yung
Hindi pa
plano
tapos
niya.
yung kontrato ko sa Bini. Kung gano'n. So, ayun, kailangan talagang pag-isipan yun and yung future mo. And sometimes, in your future, you should also think about yourself. Hindi lang lahat ibibigay mo na sa kanya kasi dapat nagsasacrifice kayo parehas. Parehas o pareho?
Pareho.
Pareho. Oo, mali na naman ako.
Grabe, Mika. I'm so amazed with your
Really?
knowledge about this topic.
I told you I got you.
I can tell,
thank you.
honestly, Mika and
Dali,
Gwen
natulungan mo naman ako dito.
did their research on this
Ano pa bang
topic.
gusto mong...
For example, 30 ka, you're either gonna be 30 and you're dating someone who is like 7 years younger, or you're gonna be 20 but you're dating someone 30 years older.
Wait lang ulit, sorry.
Either 30 years old ka,
Oh.
tapos gusto mo na mag-settle down, pero you're
Oh.
dating someone na 23 years old.
Okay.
Do that, or
Ah.
you're dating someone while you're 20, tapos 30 years old siya. And siya naman yung gusto mag-settle down.
Ako gusto ko na rin mag-settle.
Hindi, siya.
Siya.
Oo.
No. Eh di, wag na lang. Pumili dun. Maghanap na lang ng bag.
Ano ba yan? So, ayun.
I feel like best case you just find
pinapapili nga
someone
kita.
who's 1 or
Kung
2 years older
30
than you.
years old ka.
Or
20
your
years old
age.
siya.
Mm.
Gusto mo na mag-settle. Eh, syempre, 20 pa lang siya. Pero super compatible niyo. As in, super bait niyang guy. Super sweet. Super caring. And he really wants to work hard and provide for you and your future family kung Pero, yun nga, 20 nga lang siya. Or, di pa ako tapos. Or, 20 years old ka and 30 years old yung guy. Tapos, super compatible niyo pa rin. Pero gusto niya na mag-settle. Eh, ikaw, magsisimula ka pa lang, mag-finish ka pa lang ng college.
Hello. Akala ko
Mag-start ka
gusto
pa lang
ko
ng
na
work mo.
Hello. Be. Siguro, doon na ako sa,
So hard choice.
mas bata sa akin.
Wow!
Ay, oh my God! Wag na lang! Ano na lang, hanap na lang ako ng kaedad ko.
Hindi, wala
lang
yun sa
yan.
choices.
Grabe
Tigilan
naman,
mo
Miko,
ako.
ang
Would you
hirap naman
rather?
yun.
Hindi, pero gets ko kasi
Hindi kasi if ako naman yung mas mature sa kanya, edi aantayin ko na lang siya. Na until maging ready siya.
Uy,
Kaysa
pero
doon ako
mahirap yun Kasi,
yun lang.
siguro 35 years old pa lang, 35 years old ka na.
Kaya nga, hindi ko na, kung ako yun, hindi na lang, maghanap na lang.
Hindi nga pwede kasi siya na yung mahal mo. Maghanap ka na naman, and it'll take how many
Hanapin.
years again?
Ayun. Yun na lang.
Yung mas bata.
Oo, kasi, like, kilala ko sarili ko, and if kaya ko naman, I'm capable of waiting.
Pero hindi ka magkakaanak nun. Kasi nga, older it's harder. What if ganun? Kasi
Wala.
it's
You
harder
can
for women
still.
to get pregnant. Lalo
But it won't
na
be hard,
nag-start
yeah.
na yung 30 years old. Ang alam ko.
O, ikaw ba? Ikaw? Doon kasi hindi mo compatible na mas maganda sa kasama.
Wait lang kasi, hindi mo pa nga nasasagot tanong ko ng maayos eh.
Pinasa.
Pero, for me
Oh.
same with Gwenny, parang,
Gusto mo doon?
alam kong bakit pinili mo yung mas younger. Kasi feeling ko hindi mo tanggap sa sarili mo na pipili ka ng mas older tapos hindi mo pa na-experience yung life. So, mas okay sa'yo na mag-wait ka kasi na-experience mo na yung life eh. So you're not missing out on anything.
And at least confident ka ba sa sarili mo? If confident ka
choice.
sa sarili mo na kaya mo namang mag-antay kaysa sa pipiliin mo dun sa isang taong ready na siya, tapos parang inaantay ka niya, tapos ikaw, shucks, maantay ba ako nito? Hindi ka confident na kaya ba niya? Kasi ganun katagal Ganun. Para at least, ikaw, kampante ka na
So, kung papaantayin ka ng certain person, gaano katagal yung kaya mo?
Ito naman, pahirap naman tinatanong mo sa akin.
Ay, sorry. Balik na tayo sa age gap. So, ano yung natutunan natin for all of our discussions? Ang dami natin na pag-usapan sa age gap and subtopics pa. Gano'n. Ano yung natutunan mo, Gwen?
Siguro, for me, actually habang nag-search ako and all, ano pa rin talaga, nandun pa rin ako nagsistand pa rin ako dun sa hindi nagmamatter yung age, basta nagkaka-vibe naman. So,
I like
yun,
that take.
communicate and compromise.
Compromise, just so
Parang
hard to do,
Basta
man.
yung agreement nyo, parehas kayo nag-meet.
Oo.
Hindi yung mas nag-overpower yung isa.
Yung isa.
Tapos parang sumusunod-sunod ka
Oo,
lang.
may nang mamanipulate,
Oo.
ganyan. May nang gagaslight.
Ayun. Galit na galit.
Yeah.
Well, ako naman, ang na-realize ko, kasi nung pinag-uusapan natin yung situation, yung pipiliin mo ba tong younger or older, na-realize ko na mas gugustuhin ko nga na ma-experience ko muna yung life ko first before settling down. Na-realize ko yun.
I
and
agree.
Mas pipiliin ko
I think even if it is a bit selfish with that take, like living your life first, at the end of the day, it's your life. Like, I would rather take that second option of living my life first and then going for the younger person. Like, out of that, would you rather, which Mika had earlier. 'Cause I want to live my life. I want to have fun. I want to do what I want to do in my 20s, and then when I'm 35, then yeah.
before settling down. Na-realize ko yun. And like, mas pipiliin ko yun na mag-date ng younger. Kasi, dahil nga, wala na akong miss out, you know? I feel like that's what a lot of people are debating with inside in their heads. Kasi, ayaw nilang mag-miss out. Pero feeling nila, ma-miss out nila yung super great catch na to na guy or girl. So, parang feeling nila, ma-miss out nila yung sobrang na yun. Pero, guys, there are a lot of people you'll meet, you know? Share ko lang, you know? Pero kung mahal mo talaga, choice mo na
Go
yun.
for it.
It's just my opinion and my
That's
advice.
just for me, Kalim.
Kung agree kayo that age doesn't matter, makinig kayo at manood ng podcast ng mga walang jowa on Spotify every Thursdays, 10 a.m.
And you can watch this podcast episode again on YouTube this coming Monday.
I'm so sorry, guys.
Kung nagustuhan nyo ang
That I took so
laglagan,
long to return to the
daldalan, at
podcast.
kulitan namin, don't forget to rate podcast ng mga walang jowa.
5 stars! You
5
can also
stars.
drop a comment sa pa-Q&A namin and polls in the
You know what we need? We need the girls to do this again. Like, we need season 2 of the podcast. If they down to do it, if they not, we need season 2 because it was so good the first time. But I feel like for season 2, they should have like at least 4 of the girls, like at least half of the members on one episode every time. If they have time for it, that would be really cool.
Spotify app.
Don't forget to listen to our music, Beanie on Spotify.
And then if Blooms could vote for what topics that they do, like on Twitter or Weverse, if that's a thing, we could vote and then they do the topics on the next. That would be cool.
And for real-time updates, Beanie_PH on all the social media platforms.
And once again, I'm Beanie Mika.
I'm Beanie Gwen.
Make sure to follow
ito
Benny
ang
Subs as well
Podcast ng mga walang
for doing
jowa.
the English dub.
Yay!
So great.
B-I-N-I-B.
B-I-N-I.
Beanie! Podcast ng mga walang jowa.
I love it. That was my reaction to episode 11 of the Benny podcasts. What is your acceptable age? Put it down in the comments. Do you agree with a lot of what the girls said on this episode or not? Do you completely not agree? And yeah, let's talk about it in the comments. I am catching up on all comments. There are so many, but If you do put down a comment, I will reply to you. If not this week, next week, or the following week, I will try my best to reply to all comments. And like, comment, and subscribe if you guys enjoyed. If you guys like the Binning podcast as well, let me know. And I think we have one more episode left. That's why I want more. I want the girls to do this again. Please. It's been too long. But yeah, like, comment, and subscribe if you guys enjoyed. And I'll see you guys soon. Take care. Peace and bye.